Welcome to Traffic. In this video, we are going to convert a decimal number into binary. So, what is a decimal number? A decimal number is a number that consists 10 digits from 0 to 9, and a binary number is a number that consists only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So, how we can convert a decimal number which is written as, suppose this is a decimal number, it is written as this way. So this is the main number 10 and this is its base. And suppose this is a binary number 10 and this is its base. Means the main number is 1 and 0, which is written in black, and 2, it is its base. So by looking the base, we can decide whether a number is decimal or a binary. Now we will convert a decimal number into binary. Suppose the number is 65 and base will be written as 10, and we have to convert it into binary. So it will be written like this way: 65 base 10 equal to question mark and base 2. That means we have to convert the number into binary. To convert this number into binary, what we will do, we will divide 65 by 2. So we will write 65 inside and we will divide it by 2. At first we'll take only one digit, 6. In 6 we can divide 2 3 times, so we will write below 6 3, and in 5 we can divide 2 2 times, 2 into 2 it is 4, so we will write 2, and still we will have 1 which is left. That one we will write at the right hand side, so we will write here 1. After that again 32 we will divide it by 2. Now we will take 3, so 2 ones are 2, we will write 1 here, 1 still with us, so 1 we will add with 2, so it will be 12. Okay, now in 12 we can divide 2 6 times, so we will write it here 6. As there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. Again we will divide 16 with 2. It can go 8 times, 2 into 8 16, so we will write 8, and remainder is again 0. Again we will divide it by 2. Now it will go 4 times, so we will write again 0. Again we will divide it by 2. It will go 2 times, we will write remainder as 0. Again we will divide it by 2. It will go 1 time and we will write remainder as 0. Now we can continue one more steps. We can divide it one more times by 2. Now you see we have 1. We cannot divide 1 by 2. That's why we will write 0, means 0 times. And that 1, whatever left, that will go to the right hand side. Now we will write the answers from down to up. Means the answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. So we will write the answer this way. At first we will write 65 and we will write the base as 10 equal 1 and 5 times 0, so 1 2 3, then 4 5, again 1, and base will be 2. Again base will be 2. So this way we can convert this number into binary. So while dividing, you remember we will take first one digit. It is very simple one which you get in class 3 and 4, where you are doing prime factorization. But in prime factorization, what we do, we divide the number with any prime numbers like 2 5 7 and so on, 2 3 5, like that. But here in decimal to binary, we will divide the number only by 2, and we will write the remainder in right hand side. That way we will continue until we get 0. After getting 0, we will stop it. So this how we can do it. We will do one more sum. We will try to do one more. Suppose now question is, let me take the pen. Now question is, suppose it is 2, 0, 3. That is a decimal number. We have to convert into binary. So to do that, at first we will write 203 as a division form. So we will write 2, 0 and 3. We'll divide it by 2. At first we'll take 2. 2 ones are 2. We will write it here 1. And in zeros we cannot divide. So simply the 0 will come down. Now we'll take 3. In 3, 2 into 1, it is 2. So only one time we can give. Now 1 is left. So we'll write 1. Now again we will divide this number by 2. Now we will try with 1, but we cannot divide, so we will take 2 digits, means we'll take 10. In 10 we can take 5 times and 1 left. With 1 we cannot divide, so we'll write simply 0. And now remainder is again 1. Again we will divide by 2. In 5 we will get 2 times and 1 still there, so 1 will go with 0, it will become 10, and we can divide now 5 times. Now you see here we are not getting any remainders, so we will write 0. Okay, now again we will divide it by 2. Now into 1 times, and in 5 it will be 2 times. Remainder will be now 1. Again we will divide the number by 2. It will go 6 times and remainder will be 0. We will divide again it by 2. It will go now 3 times. Remainder is 0 as well. And again we will divide by 2 and it will go only once and remainder is 1. Again we will do it with 2, 0 time, remainder 1. Now the answer will be 11001011. So this how we will write the answer. So we'll write this way, like 203 base 10 equal, answer is 11001011 and base 2. So this how you will write the answer. So this how you can convert a decimal number into binary. To convert any decimal number into binary, we divide the number simply by 2 and write the remainders in right hand side. This how we can divide it, and we continue the division until we get 0 or 1. Uh, for example, this division we can stop in here also. Okay, where 1 is there, then we have to write the answer this way: 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this way we have to write it. But as we did one more step, so directly we can write the answer this way. And in next video we are going to learn how we can convert a binary number, means we will have number in this form 1010 like that way, how we convert that type of number into decimal. So stay tuned. So today we learned decimal into binary. Now let's have some exercise so that you can try it by yourself. Let's the number be, at first it is 1 to 8, it's base 10, and number 2 8 4 7 base 10, number 3 5 9 3, it's base 10. So try to solve these three numbers into binary and share your answers in comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.